I've already.
Launching.
Drop down to the 6.5. So it should start spraying now. It'll have a bit of air in the lines now. So you can see as well, we can change all these spray parameters while it's going as well. So say I want a very coarse droplet, so confirm. Well, watch how the droplets, see how they're very coarse now. See it's just coming straight down. Or we can change it to a very, very fine droplet. Watch how much this drifts. Oh, it's just doing this little bit at the end, is it? Yeah. And now, so this is a very fine droplet. See how it's not even really hitting the ground.
Yeah.
So that's good for very slow spraying on orchards, pushing it through the trees. But most guys will use like 500, like this sort of droplet, because you can see it's falling a lot better.
Yeah.
You can change all your speed, like all that sort of stuff. Yeah, outputs and everything as well if you want.
So to confirm, this one is going to hold on.
Either runs dry, finishes the job, or runs out of battery. This thing would be lovely, it's not used to it.